In this video, let's talk about what is sound. Sound is a vibration within a medium that gets interpreted by your brain. So let's just look at those three terms. Vibration, or energy itself. If I throw a rock into a pond and I get this ripple effect, which you would get, it would be transference of energy. So we're talking about a very good example of thinking about sound and its energy transference. Sound, it's a vibration, so if I pluck a guitar string, I get a vibration. If I hit a drum head, vibration. If I blow into a saxophone reed, more vibration, right? These are all different types of vibrations in the world of music, in the world of tech that we have to deal with. So when we're talking about a medium, we're talking about what does the sound travel through. Sound's traveling through air, it could travel through liquid like water, it could travel through a solid brick wall. It's going to travel through all that stuff. It'll travel through it at different speeds. So the closer that atoms are together bouncing off each other, the faster sound can travel through that medium. Sound travels through water almost 3 times faster than it travels through air because of the closeness of those molecules and the energy transference between them. In conclusion, the sound is just a vibration within a medium which is interpreted by your brain.